Your assignment and practice activity for this section, guys, is to refine edit the clips and add some retiming to several clips. Then render a video, upload it to YouTube, and paste the link in the Q&A so I can give you some feedback. And to show your work to all students in this course, they also will be happy to give you feedback. Try to be creative. You've learned how to create a variable speed in a clip, so please apply these techniques. In fact, try to apply all the techniques you learned in retiming in this section. It's very important that you practice. I can assure you guys, if you have completed the previous practice activities and you complete this one, you are already at 60-70% towards your professionalism in video editing in Davinci Resolve 15. So please guys, put some energy in it, put some fun, make something outstanding and upload it to YouTube, paste the link in the Q&A, and I will be very happy to give you positive comments. So please get excited and do some original work.